Now, band is a red and green macaw, so known as green-winged macaw. Now, macaws are widespread in forests and woodlands of northern and central south. And the bird show is officially started. And macaws are flag racing bird. So, hello everyone! Maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Parks Amphitheater. My name is Kathleen. I'll be your host for today's show. Now, our next featured birds are just like any best friends. And sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So now let's meet Blue and Azul. And today, the battle over who's the best in the basketball game.
Ma.
So let's wait for our birds. So this right here is Azul. And this is Blue. Now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's hear cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue! Go Blue! And for the girls, let's hear cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul! Go Azul! So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Again, louder. Are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, very good. Birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Let's go, birds! Now, first ball for Blue. First ball for Azul. Second ball for Blue. And Blue wins this game. So it's okay, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. So now let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all 3 rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race. So are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready? Set, go! Let's go, birds! Let's go, Azul! Now first ring for Blue. Second ring for Blue. Okay, guys, all 3 rings at the same time. So, Trainer Andre, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time.
What was that, Trainer PJ? You guys cheated.
Oh, is that cheating?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Okay, so is it true that girls are wiser than boys? So, a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time, I need one adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Okay, sir, please join me here in front and bring with you your money bill. Please bring with you your money bill, sir. 20, 50, or 100 peso bill. So as you all notice, most of the birds here are extensive passport.
May, tagal mapon si BG, may be. Ayan na, ma.
Okay, have your money bill? Alright, sir, so I want you to stand right here, face the table, and extend your left arm like this. So I'll be inserting your money bill between your fingers. So whatever happens, sir, okay, do not move your arm, okay? So now, let's call it our money bird, Blue. Now Blue flies over, picks the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back on the table and Blue wants to donate the money. So sir, let me ask you, are you okay with your 100 peso bill for donation?
Yes, absolutely.
How about let's do second round? Second round, 500 peso bill this time.
I'm out of money.
So sir, we're actually just joking, so just part of the show. We're going to return back your money, but first, Blue wants to have a photo picture for a souvenir. So just follow Trainer Andre's instructions. Now smile together with our money bird. Alright, here's your money back, sir. But before you go, please stand right there and our photographer will be giving you a part. We have a green wing macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie. So just a friendly reminder, if our trainers will roam around with the birds, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. Again, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. Thank you.
Kuha ka na din ang kamay lang na.
So this is red, that is goldie, and blue, and that one there is bandit.
Naraw. Azul, Cebu.
Now first up on your right there between our rays are green wing macaw bandit. That macaw is mostly covered with red plumage. Its wings and tail feathers are colored blue and green. That macaw has a white little face striped with small red feathers. Its scientific name is Araptorus. Now bandit, say hi to them. Hi! How about this time, bandit, say hi? Hi! Alright. So up next there between our PJs are blue and gold macaw goldie. Now blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its belly and inner wing. Its eyes and beak are solid black. Its scientific name is Ararauna. Now those birds can typically be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold macaws. We have blue, azul, and goldie. So earlier our basketball was blue and azul. And then later Goldie will also have her samples. So up next here with me is our eclectus parrot red. Now eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish between a male and a female eclectus parrot. So red right here is a female eclectus parrot. That is because of her bright red colored feathers. Meanwhile, male eclectus parrots have a bright green colored feathers. So again, if it's red, it's females. If it's green, it's males. Now guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime? Sana all. Now these birds are social animals. They love to fly together with their flocks and here in captivity get imprinted with their trainers. So eclectus parrots can approximately live up to 30 years old. Meanwhile, our macaws, bandit and goldie, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And that is it for three different types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, our green wing macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie. Now parrots in particular are intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's call in Bandit once again, and she's going to show us how to put back the shapes in their correct spot.
Mag-pray sila ba?
Let's go, Bandit!
Mag-pray lang, mag-pray.
Now parrots are intelligent. They can remember even the smallest detail. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, rambutan, and papaya. And they also love birds. Alright, now shape Bandit.
Go, Goldie.
And there you go, intelligent bird. Round of applause, intelligent bird, Bandit. Now guys, here I have an object, which is a ball that I'm going to hide under one of these silver cups. So as you can see, they're all empty. Now, where do you want me to hide this object? On your left is, we are going to be slowly searching, scanning each cup, and there you go, she found it. A round of applause for second bird, Goldie. So earlier we have shown you our three different types of parrots. Now this time we're going to introduce to you our different types of cockatoos. Now cockatoos are birds recognizable by their prominent crest and curved bills. So there are currently 21 living species of cockatoos all over the world. And here in Cebu Park we have three. We have our Moluccan cockatoos though, our sulfur-crested cockatoo Queenie, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. So once again, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. Thank you. So that right there is Snow. This is Queenie and wait for Nigel.
Snow one? Snow one.
And that right there is Andre is
Snow one.
Now first up here with me is Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. These birds are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive sulfur yellow crest. So this is their crest. And yellow color under wing and tail. Its scientific name is Cacatuea galavita. So up next there between Andre is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now umbrella cockatoos are also known as white cockatoos or the great white crested cockatoos. That is because they're distinguishable among the other white cockatoos because of its wholly white crest that faces like an umbrella. That's why they're specifically called the umbrella cockatoos. Its scientific name is Cacatuea. So if you were to compare our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety from our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, so clearly you can see that Tweety has a sulfur yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel up there, he has a pure white crest. So lahi-lahi silang species, okay? And lastly, the arrow trainer. PJ is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cacatuea mulcensis. Now those birds are endemic in Siram, Archipelago, and eastern Indonesia. Those birds are also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. So in general, cockatoos are birds that are very loud and they can mimic almost any sound. And also, cockatoos raise their crest feathers as a form of communication or indication of their mood, whether they're threatened, they're excited, or during mating. So our sulfur-crested cockatoo Tweety and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, our Moluccan cockatoos, though, she can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for three different types of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, Snow, our Moluccan cockatoo, Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, and Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo. Now guys, who here loves math? Mathematics, do you guys love math? Wow, I see hands. So I believe everyone knows addition, right?
Addition.
Well, our next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed. Now, do you think birds can do math? Now, before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. Any numbers between 1 to 20?
Any numbers lagi? What number do you want?
20. Okay, so our first number is 20. How about our next number? 18, okay? So our equation is 20 plus 18. Now we all know the answer, right? Now, before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers. Now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's call it our great mathematician, Snow. Once again, Snow, our looking cockatoo. So Snow, our equation is 20 plus 18. Again, Snow, 20 plus 18. Alright, is Snow ready? Alright, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picks the second number, number 8. Alright, Snow, complete your answer, please. 20 plus 18. Let's go, Snow. Again, 20 plus 18. Again, Snow. 20 plus 18. Uy, wala nang nag-study ba? Again, Snow, 20 plus 18. You can do it, Snow. One more digit, Snow. One more digit.
You can do it. Ikapoy na natin siya. Ikapoy na siya doon.
Alright.
Yay!
20 plus 18 is equals to 38. A round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow.
Congrats, no? Good job.
Now our next featured birds are different among the parents we showed you. These birds are called raptor, or birds of prey. When we say raptor, it means to seize or to take by force. Now there are 446 different types of raptors. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have two kinds of raptors. We have our rabbit kind and our Philippine serpent eagle. Now guys, before I call in our raptors, may I request everybody to please settle down, especially the kids. Again, parents, please control your kids, okay? And avoid reaching or grabbing the bird. Again, avoid reaching or grabbing the bird. And please vacate the center aisle. Excuse me, ma'am. So first up, let's call it our rabbit kind kingdom. There you go, our rabbit kind, scientifically known as Haliestor indus. These eagles can typically be found in the subcontinents, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawi, Manok in the Visayas region. And that is it for Rabbit Kingdom. Now, in the world of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than the males. That is because they are better positioned in nesting and rearing behavior. So up next, let's call it our Philippine serpent eagle for ready. There you go, our Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis holosphilus. These eagles can typically be found in the major islands of the Philippines. Philippine serpent eagles are characterized by their well-defined spots on their feathers. Now these birds usually prey on smaller birds, reptiles, rodents, snakes, and even fish. And that's it for Philippine serpent eagle for ready. Now guys, have you noticed our trainers, they're wearing gloves. That is called the falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect their hands from their sharp talons and beaks. And also just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds. They're donated by the DENR. Now up next,
Selected.
For flying birds, let's call it our homing pigeons. Ito yung paano homing pigeons. Wait for them on your right. Let's go, homing pigeons. And there you go, our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons have a special sense called reception. These birds can easily detect the Earth's magnetic field, perceive altitude, location, and direction. And that's it for our ramblers and our homing pigeons.
Ito sila po ang buong likod ng agi.
Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now let's call in our lovely bird once again, and he's going to show us the proper waste disposal. First is what we have in common. It is our responsibility to take good care of it. By simple means of proper waste disposal brings big impact, saving our beloved Mother Earth. Alright, that's Trash Bandit. See, if Bandit can do it, so can we. So by the way guys, for those of you who want to have souvenir pictures with our lovely birds, so later after the show you can come here in front, but pictures will only be taken by our official photographer. Again, for those of you who want to have souvenir pictures with our lovely birds, you can come here in front, but pictures will only be taken by our official photographer. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now we present to you the birds and trainers that made the show possible. We have Trainer Urban up there as our DJ,